Hello everyone and welcome back to the IronCAD video. Today we'll be continuing our IronCAD series where we're designing a linear bearing. Today we'll start with part 2, the guide shaft. So to begin, we'll bring out an extrude block. We'll increase the length of this block to be 10 inches. We'll have the width to be 1.52 inches. And then we'll have the height to be a quarter of an inch, so 0.25. Now we'll go to the right side. We'll add in a cylinder here. We'll bring this cylinder to 0.5 diameter. We'll open up the tri-ball, and from this center of this cylinder, from this bottom edge point, we'll have this to be 1 inch. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll also bring this down fully, and we'll have this connect to this point here. Okay. Next we'll do is we'll bring out another extrude block, and we'll bring this down, this total thickness, to be about 0.26. 0.26. So we'll have this come down to this bottom point, and we'll have this meet in the middle here. Next we'll do similar. We'll bring this down here. We'll have it do like this. So it'll all be connected in this way. It all should be centered as well. What we'll do now is we'll come in and we'll add our holes before we add in our chamfer edges here. We'll come to the top view and we'll bring out a cut cylinder, which will bring to this point. These holes will need to be 22 or 0.22 inches in diameter. And starting from this face or from this edge, we'll bring this out to be 1 inch. Okay. What we'll do now is we'll have this go down 2 more times along this length. So we'll bring this out and we'll right click and drag to be about 4. So we'll link it 4 inches, and then same thing, bring this out. But rather than having 4, we'll just double it and have it be 8. And so now I'll shift click on these, open up the tri-ball, and this will be mirrored on the other side. So I'll bring it to the center here. Click on this orientation handle, mirror, link. So then it'll be the exact same on both sides. All right. So what we'll do now is we'll go to our chamfer tool. We'll change this distance, or this chamfer distance, to be 0.5. All right, 0.5, and then we'll have this angle, the angle of the chamfer actually to be 60 degrees. So we'll have it here. 0.5, I'm sorry, 0.25. There we go. 0.25, we'll have it to be 60. Okay, not 60. I believe it's to be 45. Let me. Okay. I see what the issue is. Really quickly, we'll actually come back here, and these holes are these holes here. They won't be centered on just this half. They actually need to be 0.25 from the end. So from this side here. Yes, 0.25. All right, so same thing for this side. We'll come back here. Have these come to be 0.25 from the end. All right, 0.25. There we are. I believe these because they're linked, these should have also moved as well. So let me double check. They did not move. So let's do this. We'll come back in here and we'll select these. And what we'll do is we'll have the tri-ball and we'll link them like this. Here, tri-ball, and we'll link them to the center like this. All right, so now they should be lined up at the 0.25 from this edge. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll go back into the chamfer tool, chamfer distance, angle, here, 0.25 at 60 degrees. All right, and then 0.25 here at 60 degrees. I'm sorry, no, this is actually 45. 45 degrees. There we are. Click OK. And here we are. This is our guide shaft. So what we'll do now is we'll go into our materials, and we'll have this to be 6061 aluminum. See, 6061 aluminum. It's not a rot. Let's go back here to the front. Let's see. Carbon, aluminum. Oh, there we go. 6061 aluminum. There we are. All right. And so now we'll come down to our linear bearing assembly. Make sure to name guide shaft. And we'll drag this into our catalog. And for safekeeping as well, we'll save. So we'll save it as guide shaft, already into linear bearing. Click OK. And this is our linear bearing. Thank you everyone for watching. And in the next video, we'll continue with our third part, the top plate. We'll see you guys in the next video.